Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm designated broker with Position Realty. Today I am shooting a video at my new HUD listing here. We just listed it. The address is 17832 North 6th Street. And if you guys are interested in the property after your virtual tour here, you can go to the HUD Home Store, HUDhomestore.com, and take a look at it there, or you can contact me at 480-213-5251. The HUD case number here is over here on the window. So if you want to look for the property, you can look for it based on the address or the case number. And there's my my contact information there as well. I'd be happy to help you submit an offer. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it has a 2-car, or you could probably put 3 cars in there actually, a 3-car carport, and the entrance to the property is here off the side. And with this modular home, you would own the lot. So the lot is included in the purchase price. So you walk in, here's the laundry room. And it is plumbed for gas as well, and electric. So then right off of the laundry room is the kitchen area. Refrigerator. And then off of the kitchen, there is a little bar. And the dining room area here, so you can put a nice round dining table there. And then your living room here is pretty big. Comes with a ceiling fan. All the rooms come with ceiling fans as well. And another cool feature with this property is it has a Arizona room. So during the fall and the spring, when the weather is nice, you could come out here and enjoy the weather here in the enclosed Arizona room. And so the property has a split floor plan. So over here off of the kitchen is the master. So it's a good sized room. And over there is the master bath, and then you also have a nice walk-in closet. And here's the bathroom. And then on the other side of the property is another bath and 2 more bedrooms. And both bedrooms also have a walk-in closet. And here's the 3rd bedroom. And then if you want to see what the walk-ins are like for the bedrooms, there you go. It's a good walk-in closet. And then over here is the hallway bath. Comes with a single sink vanity and a stand-up shower. It's already tiled in there for you. So we're going to go back outside. There's also an outbuilding associated with this property. You can turn it into a 4th bedroom, or you can use it as a workshop, or just another living space. Here's your backyard. It's a good sized backyard. And it comes with a nice mature pine tree. So here's the outbuilding. And it still has some finishing work that needs to be done. The wires hanging from the ceiling. But you can get a drywall professional in here and finish it up and Be a nice little space. Room area over here. Okay, so you could turn it into a fourth bedroom. You also might be able to even cut this wall out here. Not sure where it goes, but you could figure that out during your inspection period. All right, well that's the end of our tour. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you like what I have to present on the channel here, please make sure you subscribe below. And then also under the description tab, you have all my contact information, my social media down there if you want to contact me directly. So thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.